Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. Thought I would come upstairs for a minute and finish this box that I'm making for my tags, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is using the Snow and Cocoa paper collection. Now this is a brand new collection. I haven't paper pad. I haven't opened this one up because I had several loose sheets that I bought from Ben Franklin some time ago. And I ran across them today and I thought, oh, let me just use those. They're double-sided. They're nice and sturdy to make the box with. And this is going to be the box that I put the tags in when I give them out to my subbies and family and friends. So I found a tutorial over on a Stampin' Up demonstrator's channel. She is wonderful. I'll have to link it down below because I don't remember her name. But she shows you how to make any custom size box you want based on what you are wanting to box up. So if you wanted to send this in a box, you basically take the measurements of the length, measure the length, the width, and the height. And she gives you a formula sheet. And then that'll tell you what size paper you need to cut to score, and you're set. So here is my box. I made 3 so far. I still have a bunch more to make, but I use lots of Snow and Cocoa goodies to decorate it with. These are the 12 layered tags, and they have a lot. Oh, it shows you right there on the back. So there's a snowman and a snow woman, and there are some stars and some tags, star tags, and there's a car, and I use the cars for sure. I'm going to use all of those. What I did in terms of the stars, I used a star die and I cut the pattern out. Okay, so this was a die cut right here, and I just put it in my machine and cut it out. I have so many of these packs, trust me, that I'm not gonna miss that. I use this tag here. This is a Merry Days tag, and I cut out 2 of them is there as well. So I cut out the trees with different papers. So I use this pack here. This is some trim I found in my stash. This is from the Bullseye Spot, some green scallop trim, and you can see I used it right there on the across the middle of the box. I took the Mr. and Mrs. Snowman and I put the word tags on it here. And that is the metallic stickers from Tim Holtz. I started out using, well, actually not those. This is what I had in my stash, but it doesn't have, goodness, it doesn't have lots of all of the letters, right? So the, wait a minute, T-A-G-S. There must be two pages because I only use, I'll show you. I used this set. But then I looked and I thought, oh my gosh, I've run out of alphabets. So I used another set, and I'll show you that. But anyway, now that I see that there must be 2 sheets around here because I was spelling the word tags, which is T-A-G-S. There's got to be another sheet, you guys. I'm going crazy here. Okay, so I did use that. And then I also have a sticker pack. And I did use some of the gold snowflakes from here, a couple of the words. So there's a plethora of stuff to use here. Another pack. I tell you, I don't know how many packs of these layered tags. I also had, here's the other one. No, I'm not going crazy. Oh my goodness. So the next batch I make, I'll be using these again. Gosh. These are puffy stickers, and I used a few of those, and you'll be able to see them here. I used the house in the background and then some of those puffy stars and this word wonder. I also used some sequins, and then I put some gold little down in the center, and that is from, like when you have letters and you take them off and it leaves the little piece of gold piece in the middle. That's what I'm using to put in the center of those sequins. I started out using the circle, the little dot from the question mark, and then there was 2 more here, and I used those up, and then I thought, there's a whole bunch of little ones inside these letters. So I used those, and of course my sequence right there. So let me show you the other ones. They don't have the tags in them yet because I have to, you know, divide them up. And then, of course, the highlight is the button. This was made for me by Bona, Live, Love, Scrap. I sent Bona my Facebook page image, and she created a 1-inch or 1.5-inch button for me. Bona, these are the highlight. I did make one tag kit box, and I gave it to a coworker. We were having a drawing names for the United Way campaign, and everybody whose name was drawn got a something, gift card, something, you know. And I donated some of my tags, and I had the button on there, and the girl was just over the moon. She just couldn't believe it. She'd never seen anything like that before, because she said it really just resembles me. I think it's a good picture too, but I can't take the credit because Facebook created it. But the button itself, Happy Holidays, Miss Cooper's Coop, that is Bona. So if you're interested in having something like this, now these are pins, and you can get them button or you can get them just flat back. So I would definitely go over to her Instagram, send her a direct message, and maybe it's something you want to do. Maybe whatever image you want to put on the buttons. So that's the gist of the box. I use the green trim. Underneath that is just a strip of the mustard color paper from the collection, and then I just put dimensional stickers for underneath the car. And this came with the scarf. It's just in the tags and Season of Joy. It just worked out perfect. So the second one I did, actually I did two like this, and these have a pink bottom to the box, and I'll put some tissue paper in them, and then I'll put the tags in them. Now this one here, you can see that is from the tag that I cut it out. That's from a tag. These trees are just a tree die that I used, and had the paper, puffy sticker here with puffy snowflakes. I even put the pom-poms on the snowman's hats, and that took care of that box. So these two are very similar. And then the background here is just a 3-inch circle that I kind of cut the bottom to butt it up against the mustard paper, and then just use that to ground all of this stuff. Okay, and then the last one, the paper is some reddish from my stash. I took the trim all the way over the sides. There's the car again, and then same thing. Put the word cheer down here, put some of the puffy sticker elements there. I put some of these flowers on the top of the trees, the stars, and then the button. So I am hoping to do some more tonight. I definitely will. I am just in the middle of watching a very important television show. So, but I did want to come up and let you guys see what I've come up with so far. I know last time I had a pillow box. That was the one that the young lady won, but I kind of like this idea better. So, and it gave me some practice on making these boxes. So I will definitely put the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.